Hello all, I'm Kanchana here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you tensed when you hear about verification? I don't know that everyone has that tension, but at least some people have that tension. Our anchor Ashwini has mentioned this in our previous video about verification. Hearing about verifications like NMPI, Cgfns, NNAS, NCLEX is a confusion for all our nurses. How to do this? Has it been years since I graduated from my college? Or has it been a long time since you resigned from the hospital where you worked? You may have many concerns about going there and how to do the verification. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about Cgfns verification method that nurses migrating to New Zealand should know. This is the most crucial step for a nurse at the time of migrating to European countries. First, let's see what Cgfns is. The Commission on Graduation of Foreign Nursing School. This is the full form of Cgfns. Cgfns verification is mandatory for all nurses migrating to New Zealand to pursue nursing as a profession. It has to be cleared from three places: your college, the hospital where you work, and your nursing council. Let's see how the verification is done from the colleges. Cgfns will already send you a form called Nursing Education Form. Its original color PDF submitted to the college you attended should be filled by your principal. Along with this, the syllabus of the time you studied and very recent transcript also need to be collected. The principal's seal, signature, college seal and the exact date of all these documents should be verified as correct. The date on the nursing education form, transcript and the syllabus must be the same. Also, the first 3 pages and the last 3 pages of the 140 or sometimes 150 page syllabus should be attested by the principal. In some colleges, the mail ID may end with @gmail.com or yahoo.com. In such a situation, where the domain mail ID is there, the declaration form showing that the mail is official mail of the college has to be collected. After collecting all this, write the college from address, write the to address of Cgfns. Pack it in a courier cover with the college seal and courier it directly from the post office under the college jurisdictions. The courier should be sent to Philadelphia. After doing this, your college verification is complete. Now let's see how hospital verification is. A form called Nursing Practice is filled by the nursing superintendent of the hospital where you worked before, with the seal, signature and the hospital seal. In case the mail ID is domain, then mail declaration is also needed. And courier it directly to Philadelphia. There is no need to collect other supporting documents from the hospital. Just send the courier from the post office within the hospital premises. Now let's see how the Nursing Council verification works. A form called Nursing License Form must be submitted to a Nursing Council. Along with this, supporting documents as required by each council should also be provided. Each council will have a different duration. The registrar in the council will do the things like seal and signature. When the process is complete, the council couriers the form directly to Philadelphia. Its tracking ID will be published in the council website. This is how a nurse needs to get verification from 3 institutions. But in the current situation, it is not possible for the nurse to do this directly. Because sometimes years have passed even after you have studied and left after work. You may not have any connections with anyone there, and sometimes you may be abroad. It is in such cases you need the help of a consultancy like Tueway International. Our staff will do the verification from these 3 institutions in a very correct, fast and accurate manner. College and hospital verification is completed just in 1 week. Council verification is also cleared in the duration given by each council. All you have to do is share only the respective documents. No other tension comes to you. Our staff will visit your college, hospital and council directly and complete the verification in a very efficient manner. So, this is Cgfns and its procedures. I hope you understood all the details very well. If you have any further doubts, please do contact our customer care number. The college fee, hospital fee and the courier charges for the verification, the candidate should be paid directly to the college or hospital account. We will only incur a service charge for completing the process. That fee does not include college fees or courier charges. So, if you have any further doubts or clarifications, please contact directly. So I'm winding up today's video. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. I'm Kanchana signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye.